Unraveling English, Mastering, Handover, in Phrasal Verbs. Hello language enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on handover. It's a common phrase that's often misunderstood, but fear not. We're here to make this journey smooth for you. Let's get started. The phrasal verb, hand over, is composed of two parts: the verb, hand, and the preposition, over. Typically, it is used to mean give responsibility or control, or give something to someone by holding it in your hand and offering it to them. We often use it in contexts where something is given from one person to another. Let's go through a few examples to make this clearer. 1. Please hand over the report by tomorrow afternoon. In this sentence, the speaker is asking someone else to give them the report by a specified time. 2. The thief was caught and had to hand over the stolen goods to the police. Here, the thief is forced to give the stolen items to the police. Notice how in both examples, there's a transition of possession or control from one entity to another. That's the essence of hand over. Just like any other verb, hand over can be used in various tenses. Let's see how. Present tense. I hand over the keys to the new tenant. Past tense. I handed over the keys to the new tenant. Future tense. I will hand over the keys to the new tenant. By mastering the usage of hand over in different tenses, you'll enrich your conversations and writing, making them more dynamic and fluent. And that's a wrap on hand over. We hope you found this video insightful and that it will assist you in your English language journey. Remember, practicing regularly is the key to mastering phrasal verbs. So, don't be shy and start using hand over in your daily conversations and written communications. Until next time, keep learning and exploring. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.